Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll talk about how to use PDF documents to summarize each and everything within Copilot. Whenever we are working on any documentations which contains a lot of informations, probably more than 20, 30 or 40 pages, reading each and everything is not possible. Because of the time frame, let's consider you want each and everything in the summarized format and you want all those informations to be displayed for you in chat, then probably this video is helpful for you. So be available from start to end of this video so that it will be helpful for you to understand each and everything. Here, I am having this documents. I don't want to open this documents. I just wanted informations to be displayed for me in my chat. Rather than reading each and everything, I will request from the chat all the informations. Here, my Copilot is reading all those informations for me and presenting it to me. And the accuracy is also very good. Here you can see this is the total amount, discounts, and article name. Here, I want it to list off all the item to be displayed. Here, I will specify the document name because we have multiple documents uploaded. So once you will upload, make sure to wait for the status to be ready. Once the status is ready, then you can request for any information. RPA hub is the documents.pdf which I uploaded. From this document, give me list of items. It will take some time to understand the meaning, and here you have all those items are listed. In citations field, you can get each and everything is listed here. In item 1, you can see this, item 2, and rest all informations are highlighted under this. If I want the amount, total amount, so here I'll just write, give me total amount from this. Again, it will take some times and then displays the total amount. This is my total amount, $70. Because I have uploaded this document, so it was able to understand each and everything. Rather than opening this documents, I can request each and every informations in my chat, and this will display the informations what I'm looking for. Here you can see we are having some discount. I will paste here, give me discount value. We have to specify the documents, otherwise bot we might get confused. This time we'll get an answer as $3. Any taxes are applied, we can also check that. This is with invoice documents. What if we are looking for other informations? Now here, if you can see in knowledge base, we have second documents is also available. So I will close this documents and open the next documents for me. So this is my second documents. And here I wanted to get informations about this. First, I have to get the document name revise.pdf and ask for summary. It will summarize each and every lines and give it to me. Rather than reading the complete documentations, I can get the detailed summary here, and it is divided into 3 phases. Citations 1, which contains some informations. Citations 2 contains some other information. Citations 3 contains other informations. Rather than reading each and everything, I want the informations from page 1 to 2. Here, I will specify revised.pdf summary from page 1 to 2. Hit enter, and this time I will get the summary of page number 1 and 2. What is the benefit of using this? Let's consider we are working as an insurance based company and Our company are getting regular documentations from the customer, and we don't have enough time to read each and everything. Here, we'll dump all those files in one folder, and my bot or this chatbot will read each and every informations for me and give the accurate answer. So if you can see the accuracy point of view, it's giving me 100% accuracy here. This might differs from the document to documents, but here you can expect 95 plus percent of accuracy. You can try, test it, and then replicate it for the productions. I'm not saying you can immediately replicate it. When you're working on the AI-based applications or Copilot, you have to make sure what you're looking for. And once your requirement is met, make sure to verify it. Is this giving a right answer to you or not? If this is giving a random answer, then probably it's a problem. You might miss very crucial informations. It might impact to your organizations. That's one example of insurance company. When we are talking about employee onboarding, we can also use this type of chatbot for the employee onboarding process as well, because in any company there will be a headache for the HR to read each and every informations and feed into the applications. So this is one prototype. It will read the documentations, give you the informations, and from that informations you can feed into your HRMS applications. That's another example. So you can use this type of chatbot in several ways, several platforms. That is fine. You can integrate with it. And it's very simple. It's taking some time to read the information, then it is giving you an answer. Here, we also have some other knowledge bases. If you don't want to read from the documentations, you can also use CSV files. Here, we can create some Power Automate flow to integrate with, and once this information is available, we can feed this information into the Excel file as well. That is a quicker way where we can perform. Now here in PDF formats, I wanted something into the acknowledgement sections. Here, I will just copy it and ask that the bot give me details from here enter, and this will start generating it. You can see the acknowledgement sections are also available. So you're not just searching for the range. You're not just searching for any specific summary. You can even fire the keywords, and based on the keywords, the informations will be available in front of you. That's the power of copilots and generative AI, where it is making human life easier to provide the summary reports, to provide the exact informations what human beings are looking, and this will save a lot of time from the resources. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.